The difference between commodity money and fiat money, commodity money has value besides being money. So something that has value besides being actually money in the economy means it has intrinsic value. So, for example, cigarettes have intrinsic value. So most people that have cigarettes are purchasing them because they enjoy smoking. That's the intrinsic value of cigarettes. However, cigarettes can also be used as money in the prisoner of war camps or in prisons or so forth. So, the intrinsic value of cigarettes is people enjoy smoking them, but cigarettes can also have value if they're used as money. Gold, for example, most people that have gold today is for jewelry, so that's the intrinsic value of gold. It can be used for jewelry, decoration, and even some industrial uses in connections, like electrical connections. But gold has also been used as money. So commodity money, something's a commodity, it just has value just because of the item. So gold has value just because it can be used to jewelry. Silver, same thing. Industrial uses. Cigarettes, intrinsic value. People enjoy smoking. But all these things have been used as money in the past and even sometimes currently. Fiat money, a fiat is a government decree. So think about that. A fiat currency has value only because the government says so. So there's no intrinsic value. It's not backed by anything. It's not backed by a commodity or anything like that. So the US dollar is a fiat currency. It has value just because the government of the United States says it has value. It's really not that much different than a monopoly dollar. Monopoly dollar is backed by Parker Brothers. This is the currency of monopoly. Well, in the United States, the US dollar is the currency of the United States of America, but there's nothing to back it up, meaning there's no, it's not backed by gold or silver or anything like that. So it's only backed by the guarantee, or in this case, the fiat of the United States government.